Yo, what's up, everybody? My name is Isa Maloney. We're in back of a car. We're moving. There's Stay Cool and Dirtbag Mania. Stay Dirtbag Mania. Take it. There's Gage. Take down, Bubbo. Mean it.
She's like, whoa. I gotta.
No. Oh.
I can touch the wheels a little better.
Alright, guys, we're moving, as you can tell. No joke. We're going to Toby's house.
We're back truck. Show him like that way.
Toby says he's in the back of the truck, but we're in the back of the black truck. Who's in the back of the black
She yelling. At least not another. Y'all be people right here. There's people saying. People are coming up. And throw it. Throw it at the next car.
No! It's gonna go back and hit the. Oh, sorry, guys. You guys still here.
Throw it. Throw it like that. Okay, throw it at this car. Throw it at this car.
Whoa.
Oh.
I was an old lady. No, there's no. I forgot my phone in my locker.
Yeah, save it tomorrow.
No, I'm doing it.
So it'd be like old and stuff.
It's like a moldy. Slushy.
Was Seth at school today?
Oh yeah, he was Slim Shady.
Yeah. We calling him Slim Shady. We're like.
He was like.
Is he riding my dirt?
Yeah. No, they're riding the quads.
Oh, we didn't. You suck, Mark. Oh,
they're riding the quads.
Hey, tell him. Hey, we forgot to check the mail. No, we got that, and that's all your stuff in there. No, that's not my carburetor. Yeah, it is. It's Dylan ordered a whole bunch of stuff, and it's all in that, and that's your carburetor. Yo, we got all your stuff. He ordered a pair of handlebars. Yeah, that's in that. And my carburetor. I mean, the carburetor would fit in there, but.
Whoa! Can't even catch up to us.
Jumps in here. Yeah.
Yo, hop in the truck. What's your mom be like? Greg, go home.
Back.
That
was not at the post. Did I should have said post.
Did you say you should stop?
Stop. No.
No, you got.
You just leave it right here.
No. Guys, this is my Zizo. No. Gotta grab my bind.
No, that does not say Dylan on. Oh, it does.
Alright, guys, this is a little backyard, so I'll make another video later. Peace.